Tech for Seniors present the website of the week with Huey Poplock.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Website of the week number 22 presents MHHow.com, a treasure trove of information that demystifies the manufacturing processes behind an extensive range of products, from items like you use daily, like refrigerators and vacuum cleaners, to more complex technologies like jet engines and nuclear submarines. This website offers a deep dive into how these products come to life. MHHow.com provides step-by-step explanations, complete with illustrations and diagrams detailing every stage of the assembly and manufacturing processes. Each entry includes not just the how-tos, but also the why-nots, background information, inventor insights, raw materials, applications, and future possibilities. Plus, you can expect details on byproducts, quality control, and more. Imagine exploring the making of blue jeans, holograms, or even artificial snow, all explained in an accessible, easy-to-understand manner. Whether you're curious, a general audience, or someone seeking detailed educational material, MHHow.com is your go-to resource for learning how products are made. Let's uncover the fascinating world of manufacturing together. How products are made. There are several ways to look for the different products. One is by volume. There are 7 different volumes, each containing different items. Or you can do it alphabetically, and it will show them across all of the volumes. Or you can do a search. So let's do a search for candy corn. And there's candy corn. We'll click on this and it takes us to the candy corn page. Now there's a great many ads because that's how they pay for this free service. I'm going to take a break right now in the recording and turn off all of the ads. The clutter of the ads is gone. So let's take a look. First, there's a background, a history of candy corn, the raw materials that go into it, the manufacturing process, and they do show a graphic of how it's done. Then they talk about several items and explain some things about candy corn, how it's made, and so on. And then some quality control and any byproducts or waste, and then how to learn more. So that's it for a particular product. We can also look at the inventor biographies, either by alphabetical, or we can do a search. Let's do a search for Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. We'll click on that, and we are now on the Benjamin Franklin biography. Shows his lifespan, some information about him, and a good article about him, and then you can actually leave some comments too. And that's how you can learn about some of the different inventors. There's also a film reference. Let's take a look at that. It gives us many things, but again, we can do a search. Let's do one on 2001 Space Odyssey because we were talking about that recently in a different meeting. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Do a search. And as we look here, there's all kinds of information about it from a website called ask.ai. And it gives you information about the movie, some background to it, and also as we scroll down, it will give you some places where you can look at some related videos. This is a trailer, this is a movie list, and this is the semi-complete movie. And there's some more information for searches. Website of the week, number 22, How Products Are Made. I'm Huey Poplock.